This is my Harley Davidson 2017 Softail Slim. I'm going to go over a few mods I've done to it since I bought it, and a couple things I don't like about it. Okay, first off, I have a Hogworks headlamp, LED headlamp. You can get headlamps for $100. You can get some for $600. This one was like in the middle, around $250. So I bought it. It's been working pretty good so far, knock on wood. I've got custom dynamic LED turn signals. Let me turn these lights on so we can see. They look like that when you're riding, and yellow ember when they're blinking. Some you can get that's all white all the time when you're riding. I didn't like those as well. Okay, I have a Harley Davidson. I guess you would call it a mustache bars. Some people call these crash bars, but they wouldn't be very good in a crash. If your bike falls over, it might help you out. Moving on back, I put these pegs on here. Not sure where I got these. I think I got these at Revzilla. I like them right there because I would have had to put them between my pipes, and people's feet would be getting all over my pipes all the time. They'd be getting burnt and everything. So I saw these. Somebody had one of these, so I got it. Here's my Vance & Hines twin slash round slip-ons. I have a Mustang wide day tripper seat and a passenger pinion. I have a Bowman backrest with a pad on it. In the back I have of course custom dynamic turn signals. Moving around on this side, I have the Harley Davidson swing arm bag. I ordered a couple other ones. I didn't like them. I don't really like the fact that this one straps around my bike. I don't want it wearing the paint off, but it's just the way it is, so there's nothing I can do about it. Of course, somebody gave me my little bell. And that's about it. Now getting on to the things I don't like about the bike. Couple things. Right here is the bolt. It's real close to the turn signal, so you can't really put a detachable backrest on here without doing something major, filing it down or moving your lights. So I bought this Bowman, but it was a pain getting on. There's an underskirt under here you got to get lined up. It's just a pain. I'm lucky I didn't scratch the crap out of my fender, but I put painter's tape all over the fender when I slid this on. Then I peeled it off. You can still see a little bit of the tape around the edges that I couldn't get when I peeled it off, but it's better than scratching my fender up. So this is a 2017. I guess in 2018 they fixed this problem. They moved these turn signals a little farther back to where you can get a detachable sissy bar on with no problem. Backrest, sissy bar, whatever you want to call it. So that's my main complaint about this bike. But this bike is a bobber. Really wasn't made for a passenger, so I'll cut them a little slack. Now the other thing I don't like, this cheesy little reflector. Come on, Harley. You can't do better than that. Put a little LED strip in there or something. This is just so janky and cheap. So I don't like that. I don't know if I'm going to do anything else to the bike. I may put an air breather on eventually. And I want to put a gauge here on the oil check on the dipstick. And let's start it up, see how she sounds. Make sure she's in neutral. Also, what was I going to say? Oh. So there you have it. It's my 2017 Softail Slim.